I was interested in this course because of the opportunities that I felt it would provide me with learning about project finance. I deal with projects and project finance on a day-to-day basis at work, though I was newly exposed to that, but then I was looking for something that would provide me with more in-depth knowledge about it. I was particularly impressed by the lineup of instructors. I had personally gone to look at their profiles and I felt that, okay, this was a great lineup that would actually provide me with the value that I was looking for. The course has been challenging, it's been interesting, and it's given me a new perspective, especially as regards the project finance deficit in Africa. I didn't know it was that huge, and the reality of it is really striking because really who's going to do all of those, who's going to undertake all of that? So the classes have been interesting, quite a lot of things to digest, quite a lot of things to sift through in terms of knowledge, but I've been appreciative of that. I love the fact that BFI has a technology side to it whereby I can go back and take a look at the courses on my own, even as the physical classes are over, so that I can refresh my knowledge and actually go over what we learned earlier. I would definitely recommend this course to anybody who is looking to deepen their knowledge of project finance. You really don't have to have, deep knowledge of project finance. You can come in a little fresh, and I'm sure you definitely catch on. The lectures or the classes have been really engaging. Kudos to the facilitators, and yes, go BFI. You're doing a great job.